This is WYPE, a radical new way to clean. WYPE cleans up any mess, wet or dry, with the use of a unique absorbent roller and clever engineering, leaving your floors squeaky clean and free of germs. First of all, WYPE also cleans itself. An intelligent base station uses clean water to flush out dirt and debris while charging it at the same time. The problem with the mop is, you never really get rid of dirt and germs. It just pushes dirt around, spreading bacteria all over your house. Even when it looks clean, your floor is still covered in germs. WYPE has a separate clean and dirty water tank, so you're always cleaning with fresh water, infused with your favorite floor cleaner. And don't even think about vacuuming up any liquids. Traditional vacuums are no match for WYPE, which absorbs liquids, brushes up solids, and separates them too, so you don't get liquids in the trash either. WYPE is cordless and lightweight, making it easy to take anywhere in the house. Ready to clean up even the most impossible mess. It's charging when it's docked, so it's always ready to go. WYPE. Next level clean.